How to download test certificates from Xcel-Arc website. Go to xcelarc.nz. Click the menu icon at the top left-hand corner of the website. Go to Support, and then Test Certificates. Or you can use the shortcut. Click the search bar at the top right-hand corner. From the drop-down menu, select Test Certificates. Now we are in the Test Certificates page. Enter a test certificate number you want to download. You will need lot number, batch number, or heat number from your product. Search test certificates will appear under the search bar. Click the Download button to save your test certificate. Now you know how to find and download our test certificates. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos from Xcel-Arc.